Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to Baking with Katie. And today we're going to be making some really simple oatmeal cookies, and they're perfect for people who just want to start baking and are getting into baking with quarantine. So first we're going to start off with 2 sticks of softened butter, or 1 cup. And then you're going to add in 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Then mix. And while mixing, add 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 large eggs. Mix until smooth. Then, take out a bowl. In the bowl, you're going to want to put 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then add in your dry ingredients, and then slightly mix it up by hand so it doesn't go everywhere. And as an extra precaution, you can put a towel over your mixer so the flour and other ingredients don't fly out. Make sure to preheat your ovens to 350 degrees. Then you're going to want to scoop your dough onto some cookie sheets. And some advice, instead of using just Pam so your cookies don't stick, put some parchment paper down. It will also help, and it's easier. Once you're done scooping your dough, you're going to want to put your cookies in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And this recipe makes about 4 pans of cookies. And that's all for today on Baking with Katie.